Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to add a music to your Instagram post on your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to open the Instagram app on your device. After opening, on the top right side corner you can get one plus option button. Just tap on it and here you want to select post like this, and here you need to select your photo from here. For example, I am selected this photo. After this guys, on the top right side corner you can get one forward icon. Just tap on it, and once again you need to tap on that option, and here you can get the option add music. Just tap on it. From here you can easily add that music to your post. As you can see, after this guys, on the top right side corner you can get right arrow mark. Just tap on that. So from here guys, you can easily able to add the music to your post. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.